Hello and welcome. My name's Dutch, and in this video I'm going to show you how to split a letter or monogram for use with your Cricut, your Silhouette, your X-Carve, or any other cutting machine that takes an SVG file. And it's really pretty simple. So we're just going to get rid of this to begin with. I'm going to go over here and just create the letter D. I still have it going. I'm going to change the font, and I'm going to use a Regal font. This is a really fancy monogram style font, and I'll put it's available at the Font Addict, I believe. I'll put a link in the show notes. So I'm just going to scale it up here just so you can see what I'm dealing with. So that's our letter D. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a rectangle, and I'm going to put it just kind of where I want it, or I'm going to try to center it here, but we're just going to put it kind of like we want it to look. Make it a little bit fatter maybe. It all depends on what you want. So I'm going to go to my object menu here, and I'm going to bring up align and distribute. I'm going to be sure it's relative to last selected, and with this I'm going to select it. I'm going to hold my shift key and select the letter D, and then I'm going to use center vertical and center horizontal, and that gives me that, and that's where my text box is going to be. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the box again. I'm going to do Control C, Control V, which is copy and paste. I'm going to change it to a red. You don't have to do this, and no, colors don't matter. You don't have to really use them. It just makes it easier for the demonstration. What I did is I made it a little bit narrower, and I'm going to make it just a scotch longer, and then I'm going to hold my shift key while that's still selected. I'm going to hit the blue one, and I'm going to do the same thing. Align vertical, align center. Now I'm going to select the blue one, and I'm going to select the letter D, and I'm going to do a path union. Now with it still selected, I'm going to hold my shift key again, and I'm going to select the red one and do path division. Now you see it looks a little flaky, but it's there. So here's the section, and you can delete that one. Then I'm going to copy the whole thing, or select the whole area, and do path combined. And there you go. There's your letter split. So if you didn't want it in the middle, you can put it anywhere, actually, and just go back a little bit. We'll just take this and maybe move it down. Maybe you wanted it down below here. So it works the same way. Select the blue, hold the shift, select the letter, do path union, select that, hold your shift key, select the red one, do path division. It'll kind of freak out for a second. Do select all and do a path combined. Whoa. Path combined. There we go. And there you go. There's your letter, all split up and ready for you to put text in here or anything else you want. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any comments, questions, whatever, leave them in the comments section below, and I'll try to get back to you and answer them. Thanks for watching.